A gusset is a triangular or rhomboidal piece of fabric inserted into a seam to add breadth or reduce stress from tight-fitting clothing. Origin. The term gusset comes from the French word gusset, which was a component of late medieval armour. During the transition from chainmail to plate armour, sections of chainmail covered parts of the body were not protected by steel plate. These sections of chainmail were known as gusset, as were the pieces of armour used to cover them. Gusset came into use in the 14th century as plate armour became a structural part of a suit of armour, rather than an addition strapped over a suit of chainmail. Gussets were used at the shoulders, underarms, and hems of traditional shirts, and made of rectangular lengths of linen to shape the garments to the body. Gussets are used in the manufacturing of modern tights and pantyhose to add breadth at the crotch seam. As with other synthetic underwear, these gussets are often made of moisture-wicking breathable fabrics, such as cotton, to keep the genital area dry and ventilated. Gussets are also used when making three-piece bags. For example, as the long and wide piece which connects the front piece to the back piece, becoming both the sides and the bottom of the bag. This opens the bag up beyond what simply attaching the front to the back would be able to. The meaning of gusset has expanded beyond fabric to denote an added patch of joining material that provides structural support. Gussets may be used in retort pouches and other forms of packaging to allow the package to stand. Gusset plates are often used to join metal plates and can be seen in many metal-framed constructions.